How to change the VANOS solenoids on a BMW E90. You can remove the air intake to make access a bit better. So they are right here. Just push in this metal clip and detach the wiring. Remove the 10mm bolt here. Bolt out. You may have to wiggle the solenoid backwards and forwards to get it out. Pull out. Pull out the washer left behind. So this is a new solenoid. Just make sure that rubber's on. Push down to the base. And that's ready to go. New one in. $10mm bolt back in. Tighten up the bolt. Reconnect the electrics. And you're done.